years after his arrest in an Unlawful Activities Prevention Act case connected to the Northeast Delhi riots, former JNU student Umar Khalid will for the first time walk out of Tihar jail to attend his sister's wedding following a Delhi court order. Additional Sessions Judge Amitabh Rawat granted interim bail to Umar Khalid for a week starting from December 23rd, and he will have to surrender on December 30th without seeking further extension. A detailed order is expected in the case, even as the judge said he has imposed certain restrictions on Umar during a week. Umar Khalid was recently discharged in a riots case which dealt with an incident of arson at a parking lot after a Delhi court observed that he faced similar allegations in a UAPA case.